Have you ever taken THC for anxiety and then ended up feeling worse? Like you got too high or the anxiety just got worse. You were just like dizzy and had a headache and you were like, oh my God, I took too much. What is happening? Yeah, been there, done that. But I have figured out how to use THC to calm my anxiety without feeling really bad. And here's how I do it. I'm Shereen Kassam with mypaincenter.com. And if you've ever taken THC for anxiety and ended up more anxious, spaced out, or just off, this video is for you. I've done the hard work so you don't have to lay in bed on a day you have to go to work and not know how to tell your boss you're too high, okay? So here's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna walk you through my actual routine, what I take, when I take it, and how I stay grounded and clear even on stressful days. Now, if you've got questions, drop them below and let's talk about it, okay? So here's what used to happen to me. I take a THC gummy thinking it would calm me down, help me relax, and then instead I'd feel disconnected, dizzy, or anxious just in a different way. Now, I don't wanna be high, okay? I just wanna go to a party and interact with people or go to Target without wanting to punch someone. Like, I just don't want to have that feeling of anxiety with me all the time. And eventually I realized it wasn't the THC itself that was making me woo, it was the dose. I was taking too much. And once I got that right, everything changed. So, here's what I take and why. In the morning or on days when I know my anxiety might flare up, I take a 2 milligram THC gummy with 25 milligrams of CBD. Yes, I take this in the morning after breakfast because at that low dose, the THC helps me stay calm and focused. It softens the edges without really knocking me out. And honestly, if I take THC at night, even a little bit, my brain stays a little too active. Like I'm relaxed, but I'm still mentally scrolling. Like I'm just coming up with ideas, my to-do list keeps growing and it's just not helping me relax. Now at night, I take a CBD plus CBG gummy with no THC because that combo helps me sleep without feeling high. CBG helps slow my thoughts and CBD calms my nervous system. When I worked in corporate America, I used to have this boss from hell who would call me into her office. And I knew it was to yell at me and call me stupid and tell me my work was garbage. And these were a lifesaver, okay? So if you're looking for something to just help you calm yourself down without feeling high, this right here. But if you're looking for something with a small amount of THC, our THC CBD gummies are a great nighttime option. So these gummies have CBN, which is known for helping with sleep. And then when you pair it with a little bit of THC, it's gonna help quiet the mind, relax the body, but without that heavy drug feeling the next morning, since it's only got 5 milligrams of THC. So how should you start? Well, if you're new to THC or sensitive like I am, here's what I recommend. Start with 2 milligrams of THC or less. So these are perfect because they only have 2 milligrams. Now these have 5, but you can cut these in half, okay? You want something that's CBD heavy. CBD helps smooth things out so you don't feel overstimulated. All 3 products that I showed you have CBD. And now you wanna try it on a day when you have nothing going on because you wanna let your body tell you how it feels. And if it's too much, this way you can sit on the couch without having to tell your boss you got too high. And if you mess up, don't worry, we've all been there. Just drink a lot of water and don't operate heavy machinery. Finding your flow takes time, but when you get it right, it's gonna be a game changer for you. So this is how I use THC for anxiety without feeling out of it. It took some trial and error, but now I find that it's like part of my daily routine and I feel more balanced. I feel like I'm in a better mood all day and I'm definitely just more relaxed and less anxious and just more ready to conquer my to-do list. So if you want to try the same gummies I use or explore more CBD balanced products, check out mypaincenter.com. I will link it down in the description. And if you found a way to use THC without losing your mind, share it in the comments. I love learning from you all and I'm sure the other viewers would love it as well. Now, thank you for watching and I will see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, you guys. Bye.